For the past few years, the content creator market has been in a ruthless chokehold by a couple of massive brands. But right now, leaked information is sending absolute shockwaves through the camera industry, and it all points to one monumental release: the highly anticipated Nikon Z30 Mark II. If you are a creator, a filmmaker, or just someone looking to upgrade your travel and studio setup, you need to hear this. Nikon is not just playing catch-up anymore. They are preparing to completely obliterate the competition with features we have never seen at this price point. Welcome back to TapTech, your ultimate hub for the most cutting-edge tech leaks, deep dive reviews, and industry secrets. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and know exactly where to spend your hard-earned money, you have found your new home. Today, we are diving deep into the closely guarded secrets of the upcoming Nikon Z30 successor. We are talking about brand new high-resolution sensors, jaw-dropping cinematic video specs, and a massive wild card. Nikon's historic acquisition of Red Cinema cameras changes everything. Stick around until the very end, because the rumored pricing and release timeline will dictate whether you should buy a camera today or hold out for this absolute beast. To truly understand why the upcoming Nikon Z30 Mark II is such a massive deal, we have to take a quick step back and look at the landscape. The original Nikon Z30 was released back in June of 2022. It was a stripped-down, streamlined, and highly capable APS-C mirrorless camera designed specifically for vloggers and hybrid shooters. It was a massive success. But let's be brutally honest with ourselves. The tech world moves at lightning speed, and 4 years is an absolute eternity in camera years. Since 2022, Sony dropped the highly popular ZV-E10 II, Canon unleashed the EOS R50, and the very nature of content creation evolved. We are no longer just shooting traditional horizontal YouTube videos. We are shooting high-resolution vertical reels, TikToks, and cinematic shorts. Creators today need more processing power, superior stabilization, and flawless, sticky autofocus. The market trend right now is shifting dramatically. With the rising cost of living, heavy and ultra-expensive full-frame cameras are becoming harder to justify for solo creators and independent YouTubers. The APS-C market is having a massive renaissance. People want compact, lightweight bodies that absolutely do not compromise on professional image quality, and Nikon knows this. According to the latest insider rumblings from top camera industry sources, the Z30 II is not just going to be a minor, iterative refresh. It is positioning itself as a premium, uncompromising tool disguised in a budget-friendly, travel-ready body. Let us start with the heart of any camera: the sensor. For nearly a decade, Nikon has relied on their tried-and-true 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor. It is exactly the same sensor found in the older DSLR D500, the Z50, the retro Z30, and the original Z30. Do not get me wrong, it is an incredible sensor with fantastic low-light capabilities and beautiful color rendition. But in 2026, 20.9 megapixels simply lags behind the industry standard. Sony and Canon are sitting comfortably at 24.2 megapixels, and Fujifilm has aggressively pushed the boundaries up to 40 megapixels in their crop sensors. The latest leaks suggest that Nikon is finally retiring the 20.9 megapixel chip for good. The upcoming Nikon Z30 is heavily rumored to feature a brand new, cutting-edge sensor. Conservative estimates point to a highly refined 24.2 or 26 megapixel sensor, specifically tuned for rapid readout speeds to completely eliminate that dreaded rolling shutter effect. Rolling shutter is that awful jello-like wobble you get when panning the camera quickly, and fixing it is priority number 1 for vloggers. However, there are whispers in the tech community of an even more ambitious sensor being tested. If Nikon manages to pack a high-resolution, lightning-fast readout sensor into this compact body, it will completely change the game. It means you will get incredibly sharp 4K video oversampled from a much higher resolution, giving you crispness that brands and high-end sponsors are demanding right now. For photography, the massive bump in resolution will give hybrid shooters the ability to crop deep into their images without losing critical, razor-sharp detail. But let us be real. You are not looking at this camera just for photos. The original. The Z30 was unapologetically a video-first camera, and the Mark II is going to take that identity and put it on absolute steroids. This brings us to the most exciting and disruptive part of this entire discussion. Nikon's recent acquisition of Red Digital Cinema. For those who might not be entrenched in the filmmaking world, Red makes the elite cinema cameras that shoot massive Hollywood blockbusters and high-end Netflix originals. Nikon now completely owns them, and industry insiders are confidently reporting that Nikon is aggressively working to integrate Red's legendary color science and video processing technology into their consumer Z-mount lineup. What does this mean for the average user buying the Z30 II? Well, rumors strongly point to this camera potentially featuring open-gate video recording. If you are a modern creator, open-gate is the absolute holy grail of video features. Instead of cropping the camera sensor to a standard 16:9 television aspect ratio, open-gate uses the entire 3:2 sensor to record a massive, nearly square video file. This allows you to shoot one single high-quality clip and crop it perfectly for standard YouTube, vertical TikToks, and square Instagram posts in post-production without losing an ounce of visual quality. Panasonic has been completely dominating the creator space with this exact feature, and if Nikon includes it, it would immediately make the Z30 II a must-buy. Furthermore, we are expecting to see 10-bit internal recording natively in the camera. The original Z30 was strictly limited to 8-bit color, which meant that if you tried to creatively color grade your footage, the image would easily break apart and show nasty, digitized banding. 10-bit color gives you over 1 billion shades of color to play with. Now, none of these incredible video specifications matter at all if the camera cannot keep you properly in focus. Sony has traditionally worn the crown for autofocus reliability, but Nikon has been quietly and aggressively closing the gap. With their flagship professional cameras, Nikon introduced some of the most sophisticated, artificially intelligent autofocus systems on the planet. We are fully expecting the Z30 II to inherit a highly capable, trickled-down version of this exact same AI autofocus engine. Imagine setting up your camera on a tripod, walking into the frame, and knowing with absolute, unwavering certainty that the camera has instantly locked onto your eyes and will not let go. Let us address the massive elephant in the room: in-body image stabilization. The absolute biggest criticism of the original Nikon Z30 was the complete lack of internal sensor stabilization. If you were walking down the street and talking to the camera, you had to rely on electronic digital stabilization. In 2026, a dedicated vlogging camera simply must have internal stabilization to be taken seriously. The leaks are pointing very strongly toward Nikon finally answering our prayers and including IBIS in this small body. If they manage to squeeze a highly effective stabilization system into the Z30 II, it will instantly become the ultimate run-and-gun travel camera. That officially wraps up today's exclusive deep dive. Are you absolutely hyped for the Nikon Z30 II, or do you think Sony and Canon still hold the untouchable vlogging crown? Drop your most honest thoughts in the comments down below. To ensure you are fully prepared when pre-orders drop, we will be covering every single leak and update right here as it happens. Make sure to completely smash that like button, and do not forget to subscribe to TapTech so you never miss out on the most important tech leaks and reviews on the platform. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and we will see you in the next one.